One of key realization in film emulation is this: film is fundamentally non-linear. While everyone chasing the film look, we need to ask better questions. What is about film that we actually find beautiful? What can be authentically replicated? Is it worth the effort? Welcome to the SumerFade project, a single-node film emulation plugin built around how film actually responds to light. This is not about slapping vintage filter on the digital footage. It's about understanding film core behavior and giving you intentional control over it. Even if film emulation is not your goal, the technique here, split toning, density control, highlight management are essential colorist skill worth mastering. It's a free DCTL you can use as a DRT in DaVinci Resolve. The free demo is in the description, download it and see for yourself. Let's begin. We have our footage right here and we are going to set up our color space transform to simply convert our footage into Rec 709. If you want to check out the video on setting up our color space transform, color management, how to install it and download this plugin, please make sure to check out our last video. I'll link it in the description. You can also check out the PDF manual that come up with the free and full version of this plugin. To get started, you can download both free version of SumerFade and manual guide from our website completely free. Let's begin. We have our footage right here. This footage was shot on red. So input color space, we are going to select red low and input gamma red white gamut and output Rec 709 gamma 2.4. Grab a still for comparison. Now let's apply our SumerFade demo. Just simply select red log 3, input gamma red white gamut. Now with the split mix slider, you can completely change the character of each stock. In CineStill, moving with the split mix slider give you both retro and contemporary look. Two completely different mood from the same stock. Same with the codec. You get modern look on one and classic film response on other. If you want to see exactly what happening under the hood, I also added show curve feature in our perpetual license and demo version. Simply enable show curve option. Now you can clearly see how much you are pushing the split tone in the shadow and highlight and how the image is responding. Don't worry, this doesn't mean clipping. It increases your highlight density just like real film. This is what real film emulation look like. Not just a filter slapped on top, but an actual color transform that understand how light behave through film layer. Shadow roll off naturally, highlight hold texture instead of clipping. Color bend and shift the way they do in real film. It's not about making digital look old. It's about giving digital footage the same organic response that made film so beautifully in the first place. Intentional, controlled, cinematic. The SumerFade Lite version is limited to just 2 negative stock, but in the Pro license, you get over 52 negative stocks and 22 print stock, giving you more than 900 unique film combination that simply aren't possible with the free tool in DaVinci Resolve. And no matter which version you are using, the workflow stay clean, consistent and flexible. Now, if you want more flexibility in your grading workflow, you can follow a alternate pipeline. Let's begin. We are going to set up our color space transform to able to use SumerFade. First, add a CST node and convert your camera color space into DaVinci White Gamut Intermediate. From there, you can add a parallel node, window, or any additional adjustment, all while working safely inside DaVinci White Gamut. Then simply apply SumerFade. It will automatically gonna convert your DaVinci White Gamut to your selected display output, whether that's Rec 709, Gamma 2.2, 2.4, sRGB or DCI P3. We have our footage right here. Let me show you this workflow with some Sony footage. We have our footage right here. Add the CST, convert S-Log 3 to DaVinci White Gamut. Then apply SumerFade. I'll adjust the split mix to shift the pivot point. My highlights are looking slightly bright, so I'll pull back the highlight roll of slider. Now let's apply this to different outdoor footage. I'll increase the input middle gray and contrast, add some saturation and film density. The footage still look a bit overexposed, so I'll simply decrease the exposure slider. Now the footage look clean, controlled and film accurate. That's the ideal workflow when you are starting from low, but SumerFade is just as flexible when you are working with standard X709 footage. Convert the X709 to DaVinci White Gamut using CST, then apply SumerFade, or simply bypass the DRT using DRT mode option. This disables the display render transform, but you can still safely use all the slider and print stock inside the plugin internal DaVinci White Gamut pipeline. And there you go, a modern commercial contemporary film look even from X709 footage. From basic mobile camera to cinema footage, SumerFade is designed to stay flexible across all type of footage. Using all effect in single node can slow down your playback, so I do suggest enabling GPU acceleration. So go to Preference, System, Memory and GPU and make sure GPU processing is enabled. This keeps your timeline responsive even with heavy film emulation running in real time. That's the SumerFade demo is about, a single node film emulation plugin that handles everything from log conversion to authentic film response all in one place. Over 1000 subscribers already download the demo version from our previous project. Don't miss out and check it out by yourself. Subscribe to the channel because we are always share tools like this with the community. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.